Hi everyone! We're excited to introduce the new updates to the Review Assignments page in Learn with Socrates. Let's take a quick tour. On the Review Assignments page, you'll now see two main views, Students View and Classroom View. Each view gives you powerful tools to manage assignments more efficiently. In Students View, you can review each student's assignments individually. Click on a student's name to see all their assignments, including which ones they've completed and their scores. You can also delete old homework one by one. We recommend deleting assignments that have already been graded to help the page load faster. The Classroom View is a new feature. The Classroom View filter helps you narrow down what you want to see. You can filter by date, subject, or even by student name. You can also choose to include past assignments that have already expired. When you select multiple assignments, each one will appear as a column for each student. You'll see who has finished, who hasn't, and each student's score. You can also sort students by name or completion status. You can also download the results for the entire class with multiple assignments from here. If you click on a specific student, you'll see detailed results, including how much time they spent on each assignment and how many coins they earned. From the same page, you can easily extend deadlines or delete assignments. Everything can be done quickly in one place. You can also switch between group by assignment and group by student views. In group by assignment, each assignment appears in rows with students in columns. When you click an assignment, you'll see how the class performed overall and can manage or delete it for the whole class or extend the due date for the assignment. Scroll down to view results by question. Here, you can see which questions each student got right or wrong. If you hover over a question number, you'll see the question ID for easy reference. Click Download to export the detailed results. You'll get a full report showing student performance question by question. That's it. We hope these updates make it easier for you to manage assignments and track student progress. Thank you for using Learn with Socrates, and happy teaching!